What's ham? Hollywood Yellow checking in, and I'm just it's just for showing people how the melon link work. Because I know when I send a lot of people the invites to join the show, they always say they don't know how to get on there. Like they be saying it don't work. So let me show y'all how we do this. So when I send you the link, you go hit it, or you hit the link, boom, it's gonna come here. Then once it come here, you hit the copy button. Boom. Then it's gonna say link copy. And then you go into Google Chrome, and in the web address, you paste the link. And once you paste the link, you in. Go get there, come to this little screen right here. So come to this screen, you change your name, how you want to do your camera, your sound, you do all that right here, and then you in. That's it. It's simple. That's simple, man. So next time y'all hit that link, y'all say like y'all can't join, just follow them steps and you in there, man. It ain't hard. Hollywood Yellow checking out.